In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do group scheduling in Calendly. If you've been looking for an efficient way to organize and manage group meetings, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how Calendly can simplify your scheduling needs. First up, go ahead and navigate to Calendly's website. Calendly is an intuitive online scheduling tool designed to make setting appointments that much easier for everyone involved. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice an option to log in. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, a straightforward process that Calendly guides you through effortlessly. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly home dashboard. This is essentially your command center, where you can manage all your event types and scheduling activities. It's a clean, user-friendly interface that lends itself well to quick navigation, and you'll feel right at home here in no time. Now, let's get started with setting up your group event. On the home screen, you'll see a Create button. Click on it to initiate the setup of a new event. This is where you begin crafting the details of your group meeting. You'll have the flexibility to personalize this experience. Right from naming the event to picking the location, it's all about making sure it fits the unique needs of your booking and your participants. Once you've clicked Create, you'll want to select the Group option. This is specifically designed for scenarios where you need to meet multiple people at once. Think of it as your go-to for team meetings, webinars, or sessions where collaborative efforts are in play. With this feature, you don't just schedule, you seamlessly connect with various individuals at the same time. From here, you'll have the ability to configure everything from availability preferences to participant limits. This ensures you have full control over the event's logistics, keeping it organized and efficient. You can set maximum attendee numbers, define available times for the event, and even automate notifications, so everyone knows exactly what's happening and when. Calendly's group scheduling really does make it that simple to coordinate with multiple people without endless back-and-forth communications. It's about reclaiming your time and letting the technology do the hard work. And there you have it. You're all set to streamline your group scheduling on Calendly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your scheduling tools. Whether you're coordinating a small meeting or setting up a large group collaboration, Calendly has you covered. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency it offers. See you next time.